Alright, what's up ladies and gentlemen? This is the next section, or the next video, I'm sorry, of putting this garage together. Now we're putting on the back panel, and then we're going to put on the front, and then we're going to throw over the top. The way you do the back panel is, you can see these openings here. Okay, you see this? You got one on one side, one on the other, and you got one at the top. And the reason I left these loose is because we're going to loosen this up. We're going to pull that back, and the strap goes behind this side. It goes behind this one here. See where it's loose. You pull the bar out, put the strap in, kind of holds it in place. And the same with that top one. You're going to remove it, pull the bar out a little bit, put that wrap around that little piece. All right, I'll show you in a minute. Let me just get up this ladder here. Again, I'm doing this by myself. So we're gonna take that bolt out. We're gonna bring this up. We're gonna wrap it on the outside of the pipe here. Wrap it around the outside, and then bring it in and put that strap in between here. All right. Well, like I said, you're gonna push it, open this bar up like that, put the strap on the inside, and then close it so it's like this. See how it holds it? Okay, and we're going to do the same on that corner and over there. And what this does is it comes around and it's able to eventually wrap around the pipe, and then we're going to use a ratchet strap on each end of these black straps, and it's going to pull it in nice and tight and hold it against the frame. You want to go nice and easy. All right, once you got them in the corners here, you got them around these pipes like this. Got it up at the top. You got it here. Don't worry because it's still loose. We're going to put some straps down here, and we're going to start ratcheting tighter. And when they get a little bit tighter, I can go up there and adjust it around the pipe more, and then it'll tighten it up. Almost like a freaking drum skin, kid. You know what I mean? We'll tighten it up. So we're going to put these straps on. We got them right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to strap them to this guy. And then we're going to run that fabric through and start ratchet strapping it and have it wrap around here nice and tight. Okay, after going back and forth a few times, you know, you pull a little bit, try to keep it up there with, like, tuck it under so you can get up and down, go back and forth, you get something like this. It looks good. It's inside the lining, it's wrapped around. Backside looks good. All right, because remember, the cover is going to actually go over this. So you're going to have a cover that goes over it on the outside, and you'll have a ratchet coming the other way. So you'll have double reinforcement, you know, on these corners. You don't want to go super tight because you don't want to rip any of this. And you can see here at these parts where it starts to get a little bit tight, you want to be careful. So give it a few ratchets. Come over to this side. See, it's nice and it's tight. It's not coming out. Try to equal them out, you know, right at the bottom here, same as the other side. Give this a few little clicks. All right, and that's it. The side is on. I mean, I'm sorry, the back. Grab my coffee real quick. So what we'll do is we'll grab the front. The front has a zipper, and we're going to basically do the same thing. Looks pretty good. And then what we'll do is we're going to open up the big part think I'm gonna roll it out on that side. I'm gonna throw a couple of ropes over, and I'm gonna pull one section over at a time with a rope, and basically do the same. But I want to do the front and the back tonight, and then I'll tackle the top tomorrow. I need more sunlight, because all those bottom rails, if you continue to watch, those have to be removed because that cover has slots they have to go in, each and every one. So yeah, it's a pain in the neck, but once it's up, it's going to be nice. So let's get to the front. All right, so there's the front. Looks pretty good. Those wrinkles will kind of iron themselves out in the heat and the sun, but it's tight. Not too tight, but tight enough. We'll come in here. I'll just show you quick. Same thing as the back. You want to wrap it around the pipe, open up this part, put this section in, and you can see it's strapped, and it's to this hole here. And you start ratcheting a little bit on each side as you're pulling it over, and you kind of want to have it hugged around the frame, just like this. You want to try to keep it away from any kind of screw like this. I'm going to wrap this with some duct tape and stuff, because the wind moving it and stuff can chafe it, you know. So that anytime you have these sharp edges, put some tape around it or something to protect it from you know, the future. And the same thing over here, it's ratchet strapped. Next thing I'm going to do, with the tent being wide open, I'm going to anchor each corner with one of these. I'm going to send this bad boy in the ground. I'm going to get a big bar and do that. I don't feel like doing it right now, but I'll do it tomorrow night. And it comes with the cables, these little cables. And what you'll do is you'll put those through those holes, the same holes where the ratchet hooks are, and then you'll just attach it to the top of here, and you will use these little fasteners. So you'll basically wrap it around and put the fastener where my thumb is and tighten it down so it doesn't move. It's to protect it from wind and stuff. And we'll put one on each corner, all four corners, and that's it. So far we did the back and we did the front, and we will do the roof next. Alright, so now we're getting on to the roof. What you're going to do is you're going to unwrap this thing. You're going to lay it across the length from front to back. That's what I'm doing now. I'm just unraveling it. A little bit of a tight spot I have here, but we're going to unravel this bad boy all the way to the end, and then we're going to grab one end with a rope, throw it over, with the other rope, throw it over. We're basically going to pull it up and over. And if the rope doesn't work, I'll use my ladder. I'll pull one piece, get in the middle, pull another. Alright, once you drape it over, I pulled it, I kept moving my ladder, pulling it over. What you want to do is you want to bring it all the way around and down, and these strips here have to go inside these rails. So the rails have to come off, and you have to put them in like this. 8 inches from the ground all the way across. I'm going to do one at a time. Then I'm going to come over here, and if I got to push down just to get them a little bit more taut, I'll do that. And then we're going to wrap this on the outside of the tent like we did on the inside for the door, and then we ratchet it down to the bottom. So let me take all the rails off, put them in those little strips, and we'll do the other side. Alright, after you get all the bottom rails in on this side, you come over here. You want to make sure you have enough that wraps around the outside, and then you just start feeding this on the outside. Alright, pulling the door in and the top out. Do it all the way around. Then we're going to start to do those. When we finish the bottom rails, we're going to cap this off. Then we're going to ratchet the corners like we did the others. All right, and then the front of the roof will hug the front, both front door and back door framing the opposite way that the doors do. All right, so what you want to do is you want to hug the outside like this, right? And then go down and ratchet strap it to the frame. Same as on this side. Then we'll pull all this flat. Now that we have to do this side, you see how it's a little loose? We're going to take the bars and we're going to start applying some pressure so we can straighten this top out. But that's why, you know, 8 inches is where they want you to keep it from the ground. But if you have to go 6 inches to give it a tight look, you can give it to 6 inches, and all this wrinkle stuff will come out in the sun. We still got to loop the top in the front and ratchet the front, and then we'll be done. All right, that's it. That's how you put the top on. It's wrapped. I put tension on the bottom to get this so it's not super tight, but it's nice and tight. Kind of try to be even with that line all the way around. Same with down here. We got a space for the air to flow. You don't want it totally sealed up. You get moisture condensation on your car, vehicle, boat, whatever you got stored in here. But that's it. That's how you put together one of these ShelterLogics. Take a quick look out here. And again, the creases will go away when the heat comes. This tends to loosen up. All right. Looks good. All the way down at the edge, you want that lip. You want to check the other side. And you got a lip down here. I just threw this deck board on here. But yeah, that's good. Everything looks good. It's sealed up. I'm happy. Now the next thing you have to do, one of the most important things, is we got to anchor the 4 corners. Yeah, it's easier to put anchors in when you don't have the tent, but we're going to put them in the corners. And this way the wind won't take it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a cool tent. So far so good. It looks good. I'm so happy I got this for the truck. This way I don't have to wash the truck. You know, every time it rains or leaves fall on it, it's a pain in the neck. We're going to try to keep this bad boy clean. All right, getting back to these anchors, so you know I'm putting them in. You got these big boys right here. You're going to put them in the ground. You're going to keep twisting them. I used one of these bars, one of my big ratchet bars. Get it down all the way down deep. Run this safety cable through the pipe. There's another hole at the bottom. Come out and wrap it and put a clamp on it. Then you could bury this if you want. But that's how you do it. All 4 corners, and then 1 in each middle. So we'll put one here. We'll put one in the front corner. Over here. Put one in the middle. And put one over here. All right, and then that'll be it. Then you'll be finished. Again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. What we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! You hiding in here, son?